Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me POCO M4, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. So firstly, you just need to disable all unnecessary features. So open control panel and disable mobile data if you're using Wi-Fi, disable Bluetooth if you don't need it right now, disable portable hotspot, disable location services, disable NFC, disable newbie share, disable me share, of course, and that's cool. So then you just need to open the settings application. And here on our POCO M4 device we have LCD screen, so dark mode will be useless in our situation. Here we just need to open the battery, and here click save battery mode to enable the save battery mode. In this mode our phone will live a little longer, but you can always enable ultra battery saver mode. In this mode your smartphone will live several days. For example, if you need to travel with your smartphone and you know that you will not have the access to the electricity for several days, so it can be a good idea to enable the super power saving mode, because in this mode you can use only 6 applications, but in this mode your smartphone will live longer because it doesn't use a lot of RAM and processor performance. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.